Hi, I'm Maddie, and here are our top 10 examples of creature camouflage. Spot them if you can. Found in sub-Saharan Africa, the gaboon viper is a master of disguise, blending in perfectly with the forest floor. They have the longest fangs of any snake and produce more venom with each bite than any other snake species. The leafy sea dragon is so cleverly disguised that fish will take shelter in its fins. Transparent dorsal and pectoral fins propel the sea dragons, allowing them to drift like a piece of seaweed amongst the kelp forests of Australia. The potu sits in an upright position, mimicking a rising tree stump. They freeze in this position if they detect a predator and keep an eye out for danger by peering through tiny slots in their eyelids. By attaching part of their surroundings to their shell, dresser crabs become part of the environment, matching its colours and textures. Some use seaweed, detritus, and even other animals to help create the illusion. Caddis fly larvae take small pieces of gravel from the riverbed and attach them to their mobile home. Apart from a slight difference in shape, they blend in perfectly. Mountain hares change their fur to match the surroundings. In summer they appear brown, but in winter they turn snowy white. This seasonal transformation keeps them hidden from predators. The orchid mantis has taken mimicry to a whole new level. It looks so much like the orchid bloom that it attracts more pollinating insects than the flowers do. A beautiful example of staying hidden from predators and a clever way of catching a meal. Hatchetfish live in the depths of the ocean. Their highly silvered sides reflect blue light from the surface, allowing them to become invisible when seen from above. And on their bellies, they produce light to match the surface above, so they are invisible when seen from below. The best example of simple disruptive coloration comes from the leaf-tailed gecko. Its body is covered with tiny flaps of skin, so when it lays flat, they blend in with the bark and prevent any obvious shadows. Without a hard shell, an octopus must rely on concealment to protect itself. They use sacs of coloured pigment in their skin to change their hue and pattern, and can also reflect light to help match the background. They even create textures on their skin to blend seamlessly with the environment. If you love science and nature as much as we do, then be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you soon on Earth Unplugged. Okay, that was really funny. Okay, so although it might seem incredibly stupid for Sam to be dressed so brightly in this environment, but it does actually have real application when an animal or a person is moving, and this is called motion dazzle.